Tired of your navigation directions constantly turning down your music? You can stop that from happening, but the only permanent fix is for Samsung phones. That constant volume dip isn't a bug in your car or in Android Auto. It's a basic Android rule called audio focus. Think of your phone's sound output as a single-lane road. Only one app can drive on it at a time. When Google Maps needs to give a direction, it tells your music app to pull over and wait. That's the volume dip you hear. Most phones are stuck with this rule, but Samsung built a tool that essentially adds a second lane to the road, letting two apps make noise at once. To use it, you need a free official Samsung app called Good Lock. You won't find it in the standard Google Play Store. You have to open the Galaxy Store that comes on your phone. Once you install Good Lock, open it up. It acts like a container for other small apps, which Samsung calls modules. You'll need to find and add the module named Sound Assistant. With Sound Assistant installed, open it and scroll down until you see a setting called Multi-Sound. Tap on that. You'll see a list of all your apps. Find your navigation app, whether it's Waze, Google Maps, or something else, and turn the toggle switch on for it. That's it. You've just told your phone to let both your music app and your navigation app play audio at full volume at the same time right through your car stereo. This is a permanent fix, not a temporary workaround. The only thing to watch for is that if your music is very loud, you may have to listen a bit more carefully to hear the directions over it. Now, if you don't have a Samsung, if you're using a Google Pixel, a Motorola, or another brand, you can't use Good Lock. That second lane just doesn't exist for your phone. Your only option is to physically separate the sounds, sending one to the car and the other to a different speaker. Your best bet for this is the Waze app. Waze has a built-in setting that makes this easy. Go into Waze settings, then Voice and Sound, and look for an option that says Play Sound to Phone Speaker. Turn that on. This forces all of Waze's audio prompts to come out of your phone's own little speaker. Not the car stereo. Your music will now play uninterrupted from the car speakers. The obvious trade-off is that you're listening to directions from a small, tinny phone speaker, which can be tough to hear over road noise. Google Maps offers a much weaker compromise. It won't let you separate the audio streams. The best you can do is lessen the volume dip. In your Google Maps navigation settings, find Guidance Volume. By default, it's on Normal. You can change it to Softer. This makes the dip in your music less severe, but it also makes the navigation prompt much quieter. In my experience, if your music is at a decent volume, you'll probably miss a turn because you can't hear the direction clearly. It's not a great solution. So before you start blaming your head unit, check your phone. For Samsung users, the fix is a few taps away in Sound Assistant. For everyone else, your best bet is separating the audio using Waze.